Now, let me show you how we can always show you the menu bar on the iPad. So by the menu bar, a lot of people refer the thing at the bottom, which is the dock, right, with the apps and like the recent things like the photos, downloads, and so on. So if you want to make sure this stays on, you have to go to your settings at first. As you can see, I'm going to go to full screen, but in the settings, you can go to the multitasking and gestures menu and make sure that your iPad isn't set to the full screen mode, but you can set it to either windowed apps or stage manager. Personally, I prefer the windowed mode because I like it a little bit more. But once you have it selected like this, then also make sure that the automatically show and hide dock is selected and enabled at the bottom. And what it means is basically, you can see, for example, currently the dock is not visible at the bottom. You can swipe up on it and make it reveal, but as I keep on doing something else, it goes away. However, we are in the windowed mode, so we can resize the windows like this, and as you can see, the dock already keeps showing up, right? So if I make enough space for it, it will be revealed. So that's how you can make sure that it stays on. Obviously, it has to be enabled in here because otherwise it's going to go away. But that's how you can make sure that it shows on the screen, that it shows up all the time. Of course, the downside is that I cannot use the full screen of the iPad now because, as you can see, we have a couple of blank spaces in here, but at least it kind of works. If I resize it to full screen, it disappears, so that's like the only way to keep it turned on. So let me know if it helped. Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.